Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the disadvantages of using FreeBSD. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Disadvantages of FreeBSD. FreeBSD is a popular open source operating system that is known for its stability, security, and performance. However, like any operating system, it has its disadvantages. Here are some of the common disadvantages of FreeBSD. Number 1, limited hardware support. FreeBSD has a smaller user base compared to Linux, which means it may have less hardware support, especially for newer and less common hardware components. This can make it challenging to find drivers or support for specific hardware. Number 2, smaller software ecosystem. FreeBSD software ecosystem is smaller than that of Linux distributions like Ubuntu or CentOS. While it provides a robust set of software packages, you may find fewer choices or less up-to-date software for certain applications. Number 3, learning curve. FreeBSD has a steeper learning curve, especially for users who are more familiar with Linux. The differences in technology, configuration files, and package management systems can be a barrier for newcomers. Number 4, less commercial support. Compared to some Linux distributions, FreeBSD has less commercial support for major vendors. This can make it more challenging to find professional support or services for enterprise deployments. Number 5, limited desktop usage. FreeBSD is primarily designed for server and networking applications. While it's possible to use FreeBSD as a desktop operating system, it may not be a user-friendly or feature-rich for desktop usage as some Linux distributions or Windows. Number 6, software porting challenges. Porting software from Linux or other Unix-like operating systems to FreeBSD can sometimes be challenging, especially if the software relies on Linux-specific features or libraries. Number 7, slower release cycle. FreeBSD has a slower release cycle compared to some Linux distributions. This can mean that you may not always have access to the latest software updates or features as quickly. Number 8, documentation gaps. While FreeBSD has an extensive documentation, there may be occasional gaps or outdated information, which can be frustrating for users trying to solve specific problems. It's important to note that these disadvantages do not make FreeBSD a poor choice for every use case. FreeBSD has many strengths and it is an excellent choice for certain scenarios such as high-performance servers, firewalls, and network appliances. The choice of operating system should always be based on your specific needs and requirements. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation about the disadvantages of FreeBSD. Thank you so much for watching. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please subscribe if you are new with my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.